Hello guys, good afternoon. Look here. So many Boro people are collecting fish with the net. Look guys. Lot of fish collecting guys. Look. At this time the weather is very sunny and hot. You can see here so many Boro people are busy for the catching fish. Guys look. Look guys, here water is everywhere subsided. Look. Nuna sisi ada. Sisi Wow. Still not so much getting fish, guys. They are till now collecting fish with the net. Look, guys. And this place is known as Lauti, and this Lauti is located under the Siran district, and it is popularly known as Lauti. That means Sampapoti irrigation. Look guys, and if you want to see this place, then come and see. And lot of people are collecting fish. Look guys. Lot of look guys. What a man. Look, they are very expert and they know how to collecting fish from this river, guys. Look, they all are the Boro people, and they have lot of experience, guys. Look, water is dry up, guys, because protected now, guys. That's why. Look, so many Boro people are busy for the catching fish, guys. Look, guys. Na butsa na na ora. Yeah, look guys. Daखालिसो सारबानो मोनोमोनलै. खनसे सारबानो 7 थाखा होखायो. बाहायनोब्रा. दिनै खम जादों. दैया रानबायना गासिबो गोसालाजोबबाय. Look guys. They are telling me there is no so much fish in the water because the water is subsided now, guys. That's why. The water is becoming so dry up, guys. Look, and the water is not so much clear, guys. It is look like muddy. Look guys. Look guys, so many fish. This is the eel fish, guys. Look. Look guys, look. This is a lot of sticks, guys. This is called in our Boro language stikri khangsla. Different types of fish you will get. Look guys, what a fat man. Look here also another khobai. Khobai means khobai in our Boro language. Look guys. Tengenap, stikri and different types of fish. Nabalabo, chap, stikri. Look guys. Lot of fish, guys. Look.